Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring SFM is pointed at the correct game and content. Open SFM, go to File Set Game, and select the game that contains the map. This makes engine content available. Once done, place the BSB map and its materials/models into the game's folders or subscribe to the workshop and mount it. You do this now because SFM needs those VPK or folder paths resolved before opening a map. Otherwise, textures and models will be missing during load. Once the map loads, you'll often face missing models or textures. Use the Asset Browser to find replacement assets or remap paths. You can mount additional games in File Set Game to pull assets from other source games. This resolves many missing dependencies. If materials still appear pink, run Tools Reload or restart SFM to force asset reindexing. Doing these middle steps fixes references and ensures props and lighting behave correctly once you proceed to scene setup and camera placement. You now finalize the scene by setting cameras, adding lights, and cleaning collision with clip brush tools. Make small test renders to confirm results. When satisfied, export your shots and save a separate session backup. If the map fails to render correctly or assets remain missing, open the console to read error messages and verify VPK mount points or workshop subscriptions. Often remounting the game or reinstalling the map files fixes path issues. That single troubleshooting check usually resolves stubborn load problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.